Was the 2020 election safe from Russian intervention? This is Silicon Networks Group. Today's April 27th, 2022. This is a YouTube presentation. We're at 150 Cliff House Drive, Walker Lake, Nevada, 89415. We are Lenovo resellers. Let's take a look at what the FBI has to say about
we heard President Trump respond to FBI Director Christopher Wray's comments today, saying that he thinks that a much bigger threat is really China, and that China needs to be the discussion rather than Russia. What do you say to that?
Well, of course, the president is continuing to do what he's done for the last several years, which is to say, look away from this threat of Russia. There's nothing to see here. Rather, it's a 400-pound man in his mother's basement, or it's China. Of course, a range of countries, including China, Russia, Iran, yes, they interfere in our politics in different ways. But all of our experts, including Director Wray, have warned us that Russia continues to interfere in a more focused way to influence the outcome of this election. Years or decades, the way Americans perceive China, the government of China, whereas in the case of Russia, it's very different. Putin is trying to impact the election, the results of this election, in the same way he did in 2016, obviously weighing in then in support of Trump, and now trying to support Trump again, trying to keep him in power, trying to undermine the expression of the will of the American people through our election. And that should be something that we should all be concerned about. It's a tremendous threat to our country, and it should be something that we can all unite around, whether we're Republicans or Democrats or independents. This is something that we need to overcome as a nation, but it's very hard to do it now that Russia has a politician who they've backed in the Oval Office, and he is intent on preventing the federal government from doing what it needs to do to defend the country from these malign Russian activities.
That was from CBS News. So was the 2020 election free from Russia intervention? Cold War tactics is far more than just cyber attacks. Since the 1950s, foreign actors have launched disinformation campaigns against the United States. The intent is to destabilize the United States in Western democracies. A specific goal is to take over infrastructure and control logistics. A new form of Cold War with no bullets fired, shutting down the infrastructure in targeted democracies, yet cyber technology is the medium to accomplish these goals. Let's work on cyber infrastructure to stop these attacks. Protect your technology assets, as the stakes have never been higher. Bad actors are intensifying online activities, geopolitical activities exported to the US from the Ukraine conflict, coordinated attacks on US targets, denial of service attacks, phishing attacks, malware, metaphoric polymorphic malware, ransomware, AI, ML, artificial intelligence, machine learning, ransomware, mobile malware, IoT-related threats, third-party supply chain attacks. From at least 2020 through February 2022, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, National Security Agency, and the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Agency have observed regular targeting of US cleared defense contractors by Russian state-sponsored cyber actors. The actors have targeted both large and small CDCs and subcontractors with varying levels of cybersecurity protocols and resources. These CDCs support contracts for the U.S. Department of Defense intelligence community in the following areas: command control, communications and combat systems, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting, weapons and missile development, vehicle and aircraft design, software development, data analytics, computers, and logistics. Cybersecurity for the enterprise, Cold War risk 2022 physical security, email postures, tech support scams, vendor security, cyber insurance, email authentication, web host, secure remote access accounting solutions, CCPA requirements. Cybersecurity for the enterprise, cyber Cold War risk 2022 physical security, email imposters. This was just received, and it looks like it's from American Express, and they're asking you to verify a transaction at americanexpress.com. But it turns out that it's a .ru domain, which is Russia. Technology cybersecurity predictions for 2022. 2022 election risk from abroad, cyber attacks targeting supply chains, the cyber Cold War intensifies, data breaches a larger scale and more costly, mobile malware attacks increase as more people use mobile wallets and payment platforms. Cryptocurrency becomes a focal point for cyber attacks globally. Attackers leverage vulnerabilities in microservices to launch large-scale attacks. Deepfake technology weaponized, penetration tools continue to grow. Every enterprise is a target. What information is within your organization that needs to be protected. Technology cybersecurity predictions 2022, proof of election fraud. This is from everylegalvote.com. And they're saying fraud is real. And what they're saying is to combat fraud, stopping the count, mail-in ballots, no witnesses allowed, too many voters, changing the vote, imbalanced votes, dead people voting, ballot mishandling, statistical analysis, media fraud. This has not gone away in 2022. 2022 election risks from abroad. At the Black Hat Convention this year, Semantics Varner demonstrated a security flaw in an electronic voting machine and the smart card a voter would use to place their vote. Using a small device to exploit this flaw, a hacker could potentially cast multiple votes, tampering with the system. This is concerning when 5 states, Georgia, Delaware, Louisiana, and South Carolina, and New Jersey, use electronic voting machines without a paper ballot verification system to audit the results, according to a CNN report. Other cyber criminals are capitalizing on interest in US elections to promote malicious spam. A click and bait story involving president candidate Hillary Clinton is being used in a spam email campaign to spread malware, according to Setranet of Northern Security. Can the 2022 election be influenced by foreign actors? Yes. Cyber attacks targeting supply chains, shutting down utility infrastructure, disabling telecommunications, no cell phone service, gas pumps offline, utilities reduced delivery, rail service disabled, control system offline, turning off streetlights, no internet cloud service. What assets does your firm have and how are they protected? Can the 2022 election be influenced by foreign actors? Yes. Local election influence, misinformation campaigns confusing the voter, misinformation US mail campaigns, disruption of local elections, power outage or voting machines offline, campaign donation fraud, county election officials in general providing a secure election process, potential risk, logistics, transport of ballots after election, potential processing center security risk. What risks do you see here and how are they applied to your company? The election protections can be applied to your firm. All computers with up-to-date security, BIOS, and operating systems. Computers should be less than 3 years old, network audited on a regular basis, strong security policies defined in the cybersecurity policy, password change monthly, BIOS updates quarterly, operating systems auto updated, organizational backup system applications backed up to a separate device, test, restore, practice monthly, IoT devices inventory managed on a need to know policy, surplus equipment disposed of, hard drives destroyed, going back to applications backed up to a separate device. SQLs and databases should be backed up by the application and not from a system backup. It's typically a ledger issue that it's set to read only, and when you try to restore it, there's too many files and ledgers that have to be changed to read write to make the application work again. So back it up from the application. Development of a cybersecurity plan. All employees should read and sign off on cybersecurity plan, that they understand the policy and they will enforce the cybersecurity plan with all processes within the company. Need help with cybersecurity? Silicon Networks Group can help the firm develop a cybersecurity plan and develop a technology blueprint and assist in the implementation. The next step, sign up for free online consultation to discuss your needs, and we can develop a task list for the development in a cybersecurity plan. We're at 775-945-9825. We are Lenovo resellers, and this has been Was the 2020 election safe from Russian intervention? We are Silicon Networks, and we're a major Hewlett-Packard Lenovo reseller specializing in service and support for GSA enterprise clients. You're welcome to visit our website, www.siliconnetworks.info. Thank you and have a nice day.